Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. As you can see here, I'm going to be meal prepping. I got off carnivore for about 12 days during the holidays, and yesterday I just got back on, so I'm meal prepping for the week. I made my spicy mayo mousse, carnivore style of course, so stay tuned. I will show you guys all the recipes, how I make it, the temperature, the time, everything. So please stay tuned. I have my chicken nuggets and then my breakfast bites. So all of these are carnivore friendly, infused with fat, the rendered bacon fat. I actually got off carnivore for about 12 days during the holidays, I think like Christmas. And I want to do an experiment to see what my body's gonna go through, which I will make another video explaining everything I went through in those 12 days. So today's Tuesday. I started my carnivore reset, if you will, yesterday. So I needed to make some kind of like munchies. I don't usually eat breakfast, so this is more like lunch snacking. This mayo mousse goes with everything. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you all the recipes, how to make it. Super simple, super easy recipes, you guys. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the bacon going. I'm gonna get to these eggs. I'm so happy that I looked because my first egg that I dropped in the bowl, I had 2 eggshells. That would not be good, that would be super crunchy. All right, for the breakfast bites, I'm gonna use 6 eggs. And for my seasonings, I'm gonna use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili flakes. And you guys, I just recently made this chili oil, which I will leave a link right here above. Check it out. It is so good, carnivore friendly. I infused the fat with all these goodies, so definitely check it out. So to my eggs, I'm gonna add a splash of milk, and by splash, I mean maybe a 1/4 cup. This is gonna make the eggs nice and fluffy. So I got my water boiling. I'm gonna add 7 eggs. This is gonna be for the spicy mayo mousse I'll be making later on. So question for you guys, how do you like your bacon? Do you like it extra crispy, light, crisp, or just soft? Leave me a comment down below. I'd be very curious to see how you guys like your bacon. I left the eggs in for 9 minutes. This makes them nice and soft in the center. I had an ice bath prepared on the side. As soon as I put it in, I crack the eggs. This makes peeling so much faster. I'm gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees. I had 3 slices of bacon left, so I'm just gonna use these up. Time to add in the cheese. I have Kobe Jack cheese and Monterey Jack cheese, but feel free to use any kind of cheese that you like. I used about half a cup, but again, feel free to use more or less. Now it's time to get these pans ready. I have this tallow that I made. I did make a video on it, so check it out. Alright, so the bacon is done. I like mine medium crispy. I don't like them too crispy. I am going to use 5 slices of bacon. Now I'm going to slice them very thin. Time to make the spicy mayo mousse. So I got my 5 peeled eggs. I'm gonna use 4 heaping tablespoons of this homemade tallow. Yes, I am using my chili oil. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. This is going to enhance the flavor. For the seasonings, I'm using 1 teaspoon of each: paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili flakes, and I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon of the salt. For the apple cider vinegar, I'm using 1 tablespoon and then for the Dijon mustard, I'm just eyeballing it, as well as the hot sauce. Use as much or as little as you would like. Time to make the chicken nuggets. I have 1 can of chicken breast. I drained out all of that juice, adding everything to a bowl, crack in 1 egg. Now as for my seasonings, again, the basics: paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili flakes. I am not adding salt to this mixture because that chicken breast is already pretty salty. So I'm gonna give everything a good little mix. Now it's time to add in my cheese. I'm only gonna use 1 kind this time, but again, feel free to use as much, as little, or whatever kind of cheese that you would like. All right, I had to take off my ring for this. So as for the chicken nugget shapes, make sure that you squeeze a little bit, but not too hard. We want to keep that egg and all that juice inside. As for the shape, have fun with it. Make them round, square, use your imagination. Have fun. Now it is time to give these breakfast bites a try. I'm eating this one first because it came out of the pan a little bit funky, but the flavor is amazing, super soft, moist. Now have fun with making these breakfast bites. You can use bacon, ham, sausage, use your imagination. Being on carnivore, I'm telling you, it is a lot of fun. Now, speaking of carnivore, I have the spicy mayo mousse. Let's give it a try together, but of course it's going to be amazing. This mayo mousse you can use for anything and everything. The chicken nuggets came out perfectly golden, super juicy in the center. You can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or as a snack. I hope that you guys enjoyed these recipes. I will have future carnivore recipes coming up, so stay tuned. But till next time, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And again, thanks so much for watching.